Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Golabs pickleball set. So this is going to be a product overview video. So on this video, I'm going to show you how the product looks, what it comes with, the feature it has, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So you can see here's the paddle for the pickleball. It has some nice graphics on here. It's lightweight, made very well. These paddles are PB1 USA Pickleball Approved. Nice material to it, has a nice protection on the side. It comes with 4 pickleballs, 2 paddles, and then a carrying case. So you can see the handle, it's a nice grip to it. It feels good in the hand. Here's the sides, it has a nice protection for the sides so it doesn't get messed up when you scratch this on the floor. And it has a good weight to it when you swing it. These are the balls. So everything fits nice and perfectly inside the case. It has a dual zipper. It has even a pocket right here, so you could put your towel or anything that you want to put there. On the back, it has a strap, so you could carry it on your shoulder or by hand. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, these are some great pickleball paddles. I like how lightweight that the paddles are, yet they're very durable. I also like how the handles has a nice grip to it and it feels very good in the hands. And even the graphics of the paddle looks very nice and cool. I also like how it comes with a travel bag, so you can store everything conveniently in the bag. And this is a great product to have for any pickleball player. Thanks for watching.